Join me as I take on a challenge of celebrating December and New Year without going broke. The festive season is here, and with it comes the pressure to spend. We are often tempted to go overboard with gifts, parties, and travel, only to face financial stress in the new year. But what if I told you that you can celebrate without going broke? For many of us, December and January are months of financial strain. We overspend on gifts, get caught up in the party spirit, and often travel long distance to visit loved ones. The credit card bill and loan repayments that follow can be overwhelming. Yes, I have been there too, buying expensive gifts, overspending on dining out, and feel guilty about it later. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of season, but it's important to remember that financial stress can quickly spoil the festive spirit. Think about it. Do you really want to start the new year with a hefty debt hanging over your head? Probably not. The truth is, overspending during the holiday can have long-term consequences. It can affect your credit score, limit your financial flexibility, and even impact your mental health. So, what can we do this year different? So, how can we celebrate December and New Year wisely? One strategy is to set a budget and stick to it. Make a list of all expenses you think about, from gifting to travel, and allocate a specific amount for each. Consider affordable gift ideas like homemade trade, personalized coupons, or experience instead of financial gifts. You can also plan low-cost festive activities like game night, potluck, dinner, or outdoor events. Another strategy is to focus on needs over wants. Be honest with yourself. Do you really need to buy the expensive gift, or do you make with something more affordable? You can also use 20 or 50 or 30 or 20 rule. 50% of your income for necessity, 30% for money spending, and 20% for saving and debt repayment. Here's a powerful insight that can significantly help you save money this holiday season. Focus on experiences, not material gifts. Memory lasts a lifetime, but physical gifts often end up in the attic or garage. Consider getting experience like tickets to a show, or funny activity, or weekend getaway. Not only will you save money, but you will also create a lasting memory that will help you in future. This approach can be a game changer, especially if you are someone who tends to overspend on gifts. By focusing on experience, you will not only reduce waste, but also create opportunity for meaningful connection with loved ones. To recap, celebrating wisely is all about being intentional with your spending. Set a budget, focus on needs over wants, and focus on experiences that bring joy to you. By doing so, you will set a positive financial tone for the upcoming year and start fresh with a clean beginning. If you have got your own tips on how to celebrate December and New Year without going broke, share them on the comment below. And if you are looking for more financial advice, be sure to watch our next video. We will be sharing more tips on how to manage your finance effectively.